The Redmi Watch 5 Active is easily one of the best affordable smartwatch ever created, and this is what the box of it actually look like. Inside the box we get the watch itself in a nice packaging, a charger cable and also a quick manual. On the watch itself we actually get absolutely massive 2-inch screen, so this thing is actually absolutely huge. So on this side we also have a button, which is actually really cool, because other cheap Xiaomi watches actually do not have buttons. And also we actually have speaker and microphone on this watch as well, which is absolutely insane at this price. On the back we have the charger port here basically and all the sensors. And this is what the watch actually looks like on my wrist. And actually I really like the size of it. The screen is absolutely massive, so unlike on the Xiaomi bands, which have actually a very tiny screen, this screen is actually really decent. And actually when you check the display quality on this watch, also it's actually really decent. Actually I wasn't expecting it to be this good. And even in direct sunlight, the display actually is still very readable as well. And also even the strap actually feels fairly decent on this watch as well. So you actually get very good adjustments over here. And also we even have quick release here as well, so you can easily change the strap if you want to. Probably the best part actually about this watch is actually the price of it. So if you go on AliExpress and check the price of it, it's absolutely insane what this thing actually costs. So less than $30. For example, the price on the Xiaomi Band 9 is actually much higher than on this watch. But on this watch we actually get a really huge screen, unlike on this watch. Also we have the side button, which is actually very useful, and even microphone and speaker. So this is like even more better than the more expensive Xiaomi Band. Yeah, the price is actually absolutely insane. Also we can actually get them in different colors. Basically I will actually leave a link in description basically where you can actually get this watch. And let's check out all the features this watch actually has. So actually when you click and hold on the watch face, you can actually change your watch face. But let me show you something cool. If we click the edit, we can actually change the compilations on this watch face. For example, on some watch we actually can't change these. Also, if we click these things, it actually brings us directly to those corresponding things. Again, this is actually very cool, because other Xiaomi watches and basically other cheap watches aren't able to actually do this. When we swipe down, we can actually get all our notifications, so like your emails maybe. Also you can get WhatsApp notifications here, so and stuff like that basically. And when we swipe up, we can basically get access to these like quick controls. So for example, we can enable the sleep mode, like raise to wake function, access settings, and this even has a flashlight as well. So yeah, it's actually plenty bright as well. And also obviously still this actually has the speaker and microphone. So if you actually go swimming with this watch, you also need to do this function that will basically clear the water from this watch. So yeah, it's actually kind of advanced. Also, this watch actually has ultra battery saver as well. So if we, for example, enabled, only the step counter and basically the watch itself will be visible, and this will pretty much like give you probably like almost a month of battery life. So the battery life, basically the claimed battery life actually is 18 days on this, but that is actually not with this. That basically is as you use the watch normally basically. So if you want to exit this, also if we swipe like this, we can get access to all our tiles. So actually these tiles are actually fully customizable, and we can actually change the things that are displayed in each location. So it's actually, yeah, pretty decent. For example, we have the timer here, and also we have actually music controls on this watch as well. So if on your phone you are playing some music, you can actually control your music from this watch as well. And the weather app actually also appears really decent. So you can see your data for the next days, also the wind and stuff like that, sunrise, sunset. So actually pretty cool. And if you click this side button, you can get access to all your apps. So you can quickly start a workout. So it actually has tons of different workouts. So if we click more, basically let's check some random what you have. Okay. Yeah, pretty much everything is right over here. And again, we can quickly start a workout from the screen as well. For example, obviously you need to wear it. And this, for example, is what the workout screen looks like. So you can see all your data. Also, again, in this we can actually quickly like control our music as well. And then also we can quickly see our daily stats, how many steps we have done, active minutes and stuff like that. So we can check our heart rate. This also has this vitality score, but obviously you need to actually wear this watch for few days for this to actually become available. Also, we can actually measure our blood oxygen level here as well. And also we actually have sleep tracking on this watch as well, so you can wear this at night and track your sleep quality basically and how long you have slept. Also we can even track the stress on this thing as well and do various breathing exercises as well. Okay, so you can actually measure your stress levels. Again, calendar, weather, events, various like checklists, basically tasks. And also we actually have the phone, so we can actually call directly from this watch as well. And when, for example, we go to the phone app, as you can see your actually recent calls. Also we can dial a number, so I'm just pushing something randomly, and if I click dial, it will basically route this call through my phone. So I do not have a like network on this phone, but yeah, you can actually call and also answer calls on this watch, which is absolutely insane. On the more expensive Xiaomi bands, you can't do none of this. And if you go to the music app, you can actually control the music on your phone. So for example, if I skip this to the next track, I will actually be able to like go to the next song basically. Also I can adjust the volume here as well. Also what's more cool is if you again exit this app and even swipe up, we can actually get these controls here as well. Also check out this, we actually can control our camera on our phone as well, so we can actually take a picture remotely as well. For example, if I simply press this, as you see that my phone actually took a picture. Absolutely insane. By the way, again, this is automatically set up and you do not need to download any additional apps. On some other watches, this is actually kind of faff, but on this, yeah, it's actually straightforward. Obviously, we can set our alarms, also focus mode, so if you do not want someone to disturb you, stopwatch timer, clock basically, and also we can even find our phone as well. This is basically, and we have the settings access as well, where we can basically change all the various things here. And this is what the app on the watch looks like. So you can see your like history, basically calories, steps. You also see your sleep data, your heart rate history. So you can click these basically and basically see your basically past day history, as well as your resting heart rate zones, and check this. We can also even see your VO2 max. So tell me another watch at this price that can actually give you this VO2. Absolutely crazy. Okay, and when we go back again, we can measure our blood oxygen. This can't measure blood pressure. I'm not sure why this is over here. It can measure your stress and also your vitality score. This is basically like some kind of a body battery, what you get on the Garmin watch essentially. And also we can start a workout basically from this app as well. And as you see, you actually have training load as well, and again VO2 max. So actually I'm completely blown away by what kind of features actually this extremely cheap watch actually has. And again, we can actually manage all the watch face here as well. So if you want to change them, so simply choose from the different watch face you want to add, and it will get transferred basically. So there are actually like tons of different ones, and you can manage, pretty much see everything. So we can basically dig deeper if you click any of these things. Also, we can like manage the apps we have here. And yeah, overall the app actually looks really decent on this watch. So, and it also looks very modern as well. Also, let's check out the heart rate readings on both. So here I have literally 20 times more expensive Apple Watch, which probably is a gold standard when it comes to heart rate tracking. And I'm walking around now, and you can see how they basically perform when you actually move. So you can see they're pretty much the same. So a couple points maybe on each side. So yeah, overall performance actually, yeah, quite surprising. Also, let's measure the blood oxygen on both of them and see how they perform. Again, the Apple Watch is literally 20 times more expensive than this one. So 99 on the Apple Watch, and this actually takes usually a bit longer to actually measure this. So it's definitely slower, but the result. So yeah, basically it's pretty much almost the same. So let me measure once more on both just to confirm. Okay, so 100 on that one. And looks like, let's see. So, but again, this actually usually takes longer to measure. But as you can see, they're pretty much the same, so 1 or 2% doesn't really matter. So yeah, considering the price difference, this is actually absolutely insane. And overall, can I actually recommend you this watch? Well, yep, absolutely, I can actually recommend you this watch. When you look actually at the overall build quality, so this actually has some really decent build quality, and also the display size, and just how basically the system itself looks and feels. This is actually insane value for money what you're getting. Also the sensors also are actually fairly decent. As you see, everything is actually super smooth on this watch, so there's pretty much like zero lag whatsoever anywhere. So yeah, absolutely crazy. And also compared to other watches, this watch actually has almost like 3 weeks of battery life on a single charge. Absolutely crazy. And when you basically consider all the things together and look at the price of the watch, this easily has to be the best value for money watch in 2024 and 2025, easily, hands down. By the way, again, I've actually tried to leave a link in the description where I got mine from. So this is the cheapest place anyway, so where you can probably get it. And yeah, by the way, I'm actually really trying to grow this channel. If you could help me out, that'd be so much appreciated. Thank you and good luck everyone.